Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe in your home. Today, we are going to learn about computers. So, welcome to our computer class. I know you all are interested in learning computers. So, spell after me the spelling of computer. 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 Once again, we will say COMPUTER. Computers. Now, look at this picture. I know most of you are familiar with this picture. You must have seen this machine. Most of you at your home there will be this machine. Nowadays, your mother or father or both of them are working on this machine. So tell me, what do you call this machine? Yes, this is a computer. This is a computer. Tell me, what will do on computer? You will watch movies, cartoons and play games, listen music. You can also draw on this machine. Now we will see next. Here we see what is computer and how it will work. Computer is a machine. Computer is a machine. It work on electricity. It work on electricity. Without electricity or power is gone or the electricity is gone at that time, this machine or computer will not work. So for computer, electricity is essential. There are different machines at your home. There are different machines which can do different works. Okay, like you have television, computers, ACs, washing machines, cooler, refrigerator. All these are different machines and will perform different work. Okay, now we'll see few of them. Okay, this is television. All of you have television or TV at your home. Yes, what you watch on it? You watch movies, cartoons, song and news. It gives you an entertainment. But without electricity, can it work? No, it can't work. So here, to run this television, it also required electricity. Now we will see next one. Mixer. These also you have at your home, in your kitchen. Your mother will grind or make a juice for you with the help of these machines. This perform you to grind. Okay, on television you will watch. Okay, watch what? Movies, cartoon you will see, you will watch. In mixer it will grind. Now next, what is this? This is a cooler. When you use it in summer, when the outer temperature is high, you use cooler for cooling the room temperature and for yourself. It also required an electricity. Look, in summer when electricity is cut, how it will feel? Hot. And at that time this cooler is also not working. So for cooler also what we require? Electricity. Now next, refrigerator. This is also at your home, in your kitchen. Refrigerator, what you keep in it? You keep fruits, vegetable, different type of juices, milk, water. What it will do, it will cool your juice. Okay, it will refresh your fruits, vegetables. This is also a machine which keep your food and drink fresh as well as cool. But if there is no electricity, it we can do that? No, na. It will can't perform cooling to your drink, to your fruits. No, na. So for this also electricity is essential. Now we will see next, machine. Machines are man-made things. What mean by man-made? Man-made means the things which are made by man. It's called man-made. Machines are man-made things. It work very fast. Just now we have seen different machines. How they work? Very fast. Within 2 hours, refrigerator will cool your drink. Okay, juice, milk, water. Got it? Next, what is mixer? Within a minute, it will grind for you. Cooler will cool instantly. All these machines will work very fast. Now, different machines do different work. All these machines will do they perform their own work. Like television will show you music, cartoons and movies. We can see it. Okay. Mixer will grind it, your vegetables, your juice for you. And even cooler will cool the house. Got it? Like the way refrigerator will also cool. So the different machines have their different work. Now we will see next, computer and its uses. Computer is smart and very useful machine. What is mean by smart? Why everybody will tell that computer is a smart machine? Why? What is smart? It is smart because it can perform different work on a single computer. Now only we say the different machines. Okay, what they will perform? They will perform a single work or single task, we can say. Like on TV or television, we watch it. Only watching they are doing. Next, there is a mixer. What they will do? They only grind. Cooler, they will cool. Refrigerator, the same thing. They will just cool the foods. Okay. But computer can, what you can do on computer? You can play games, draw pictures, do calculations. You can watch movies, cartoon, and listen music on a computer. All these things a single computer can do. That's why it is called computer is a smart machine, or it is called computer is smart and very useful machine, because at the same time it is performing 2-3 works. So it is very useful machine. Got it? Now we will see next, feature of computers. Features of computer. A computer on electricity. Now just we see that all the machines work on electricity. So computer is also need electricity. It has the following features that make it special. We will see which features will make it very special, so that we can call it computer is smart. Okay, we will see now. Next, first one is storage. Computer stores a large amount of information and never forget it. Now in your school, when teacher teach you, you also store the data, information. We call it knowledge also, that teachers gives you. Okay, what this information you stored? You stored in your mind. Like the same way computer will store this information in his mind and never forget it. But this thing will happen with you? No, na. When exam came, what happened? Little information you forgot. Whatever the teacher teach you, all thing you can't store in your mind. Little bit thing you will miss. But this will not happen with computer. Computer never forgot the information. Got it? Now next. A computer work very fast and can do many jobs at the same time. Can you do more than 2 jobs at the same time while writing? Can you eat? No, na. Or while eating, can you write? No, na. You can't do the two same thing at the same time. But this is not with computer. Okay? He can perform so many works at the same time. Like you can listen music at the same time. You can draw on it on a computer at the same time. You get bored about drawing, you can put it like that and you can open the letter. You can write some words later on that. So on computer, music also you can listening at the same time you are writing also, at the same time you are drawing also, and if you want you can at the same time you can play also. So many jobs, means writing, drawing, music, playing, all these jobs computer can do at the same time. But this will not happen with human being or with us. That's why computer works very fast and can do many jobs. These all work are called jobs at the same time. Okay, now next. A computer does not get tired and can work for a long hour. Can you work for a long hour? No, na. Can you study for a long hour? No. Within a 15 minutes you will start. Mama, now I am getting bored. Can I go for playing right now? Yes, but computer does not say like this. Computer does not get tired. In your school, if you get hungry, if you get tired, for that recess is there. Computer need any recess? No, computer didn't need any recess. And it can work for a long period of time. After some time you get hungry, you get bored. Okay, you want to perform different things. You can't stick for one work for a long period of time. This will not happen with computer. Got it? Now the remaining features we will see in the next period.